Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are doing fine. Yesterday we started doing the chapter The Turning Point. It's a true story of our 11th president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, when he was a small child, 10 years old, and he was studying in class 5. His teacher, Sir Siva Subramaniam Arya, gave him a lesson in bird's flight. First, he gave the theoretical lesson of 25 minutes, and then he asked the children whether they have understood. Then APJ Abdul Kalam said he did not understand what was taught. Then the rest of the class also said that they did not understand. Then the teacher took them on a beach and showed them the seagulls and their movement in 20s and 30s, and then he again explained how the dynamics of all the principles connected, all the laws connected with the bird's flight. So now let's read further. For me, this incident was not merely an understanding of how a bird flies. That evening, on the seashore of Rameswaram, I decided that I wanted to study all I could about the concept of flight. At that time, I did not realize that eventually means finally, I would move towards the study of science of flying. It was my teacher's lesson, and the flight I had witnessed, this means saw with my own eyes, which inspired me to move towards this goal. Now, after getting a lesson about birds' flight and after seeing the birds flying in the sky, APJ Abdul Kalam decided to study the science of flying. So that gave him, at that very moment, he found his goal in life. It was my teacher's lesson and the flight I had witnessed which inspired me to move towards this goal. Then one evening after class, I asked Mr. Iyer for advice. I told him of my interest in further studying the science of flight. He patiently explained that I should complete class 8 and go to high school and from there to college and take up the study of the sciences. This advice and the lesson of the flight of birds really gave me my mission for life. Now that gave him that determination, that lesson gave him the determination to study sciences, and he asked for advice from his teacher. His teacher guided him that how he can proceed and achieve his goal in life, his mission in life. So, when I went to college, I took up physics and then went on to study engineering at the Madras Institute of Technology. There I took up aeronautical engineering. My life was transformed. Transformed means changed. I became a rocket engineer, aerospace engineer, and a technologist. So over there he became a aeronautical engineer. The memory of my teacher encouraging me to ask questions and then showing real life examples to aid means to help my comprehension means understanding, remained with me all my life. After all, it had proved a turning point. Turning point means a point where your life changes, where your whole life changes. In my life, I initiated means started, and eventually means finally, it initiated and eventually shaped my profession. Sri Siva Subramania Iyer was the catalyst. Catalyst means igniting thing, the cause of change. That he was the one who brought change, who ignited means burn our young minds by allowing us to ask questions and then answering them till we achieved complete understanding. So he was a teacher who patiently listened, who patiently explained, and if any student did not understand, then he explained it with practical examples. He did not believe in theoretical learning, he believed in practical learning. And this approach of the teacher of APJ Abdul Kalam inspired him to take up aeronautical engineering, and he became the missile man of India. So that's the chapter now. It's in a very easy language. Read it and send me your videos and try to solve the back exercise questions. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye. God bless you.